Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is Gandhi Jayanti special tricolor thali, where we have paneer gravy, plain rice and also methi aloo. So let's start with the first item of today's lunch. It's methi aloo. For this recipe we will be using only the methi leaves and also the small stems. So I'm separating them. We need to give it a good wash to ensure there isn't any dirt or dust attached to the leaves. Now roughly chop the leaves. Methi leaves are anyways very small, so you can just roughly chop them a little. Here I have a sweet potato. I am adding about 1/3 of this in methi. Peel the skin and give it a good wash. Now I will chop the potatoes in small pieces. Just like French fries, you can give them any other shape as well. Once done, we can start with the cooking. I am heating up a kadhai, adding mustard oil, pinch of 5 spices or panch phuran, and then adding the potatoes. Potatoes would take a little longer, so we will be cooking them for a while and then adding the methi leaves. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric, and mix well. Allow this to cook in low flame and cover with a lid. You can keep checking after every 2 to 3 minutes. Once potatoes are a little cooked, we can add the methi leaves. Mix well and allow this to cook in low flame as well. I'm adding pinch of chili flakes for that extra flavor. You can even add dried red chili in oil. Cooking this in low flame will ensure that our potatoes are properly cooked and soft from inside. I am also adding some grated ginger. You can even add some ginger paste in it. Now this variety of potato takes a little longer to cook than the regular potatoes that we use. So adding water will ensure they are properly cooked. Once potatoes and methi leaves are properly fried, I am adding just a little bit of water. Once potatoes become soft, switch off the flame and keep this aside. Here I have some rice and I am making plain white rice. Allow the rice to cook and in the meanwhile we'll prepare for the paneer gravy. I have some garlic, 4 potatoes, and will roughly chop them. Now we need to make its paste. Here I have the mixie jar. We'll add a medium-sized onion, some ginger, garlic, and also the potatoes. Add a little water and make a fine paste. Here our paste is ready and let's start with the cooking. Heating up a frying pan and adding some groundnut oil. Allow the oil to heat up and then fry the paneer pieces. Adding pinch of salt. And allow this to cook until paneer turns little golden brown. Once done, keep the paneer aside. In the same pan, adding some dried curry leaves, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of chili powder, pinch of chili flakes, pinch of homemade dhania powder. Mix well and add the tomato paste. Adding some salt, pinch of saunf powder, pinch of elaichi powder and mix well. I'm adding little more salt because we did not add any salt in the tomatoes, onions and the mix. Adding some sabji masala. Here we have some pumpkin seeds powder. These are like a little roasted pumpkin seeds and I made a powder with it. I will be adding about 3-4 spoons of this and this will make a thick gravy. I am adding little water. Some kasuri methi and half a spoon of butter. Adding butter at this last stage will add a nice flavor. Now add the fried paneer pieces, cook it for 2-3 minutes and switch off the flame. Now let's move to plating. Here I have some plain white rice that I will be placing in middle. On top I will be serving the paneer gravy. And lastly we have the methi leaves. I will cover the potatoes with some more leaves just to give a more green color to it. And here we have our Gandhi Jayanti special tricolor lunch all ready. You can even serve this for Independence Day. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.